It's your boy Antoine Banger, back with another unboxing. Well, unpackaging. Pretty excited too. So let's get right on into it.
My swag so cool, 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 my swag so cool.
This package is from Mercari, and I paid $16. $16, yes. For these shoes. These are vintage. If I remember, I'm pretty sure they haven't retro these yet. Maybe won't. Yeah, this is an old shoe. Needs just a bit of cleaning. Looks like we got a. What is that? What is that? Damn. Like somebody went. A hatchet to that thing or something. I don't know if I can fix that or not. And I'm definitely gonna try. Either way, this is a very old shoe. It's the Pippen 4, I believe. Let's see if it's got a 2000. Was it 2000 when these came out? This is 2000. But yes, the Pippen before, I believe it's the Pippen 4. I'm not too sure. I'll put it in the description. But yeah. $16. Not bad. Like, I needed to add to my Pippen collection. I need three more, I think. 3 more, then I'll have all the Pippens. These ones is dirty though. I'm about to give them a nice little cleaning. Can't put them in the washer. I'm afraid they'll fall apart. Hopefully not. So, but yeah, that's the pickup. I was supposed to have another one come in today, but I don't know what's happening. Maybe it'll be here tomorrow, and I'll show you that then. But like I said, it's the videos. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button, share, do it all. Yeah, that's your boy.